Hey, hola, ¿qué tal? Right, you like my new hair? My new style? Yes. Bonito pelo. Sí, qué bonito pelo tengo, ¿verdad? I know, lo sé. Right, so today we are going to learn Spanish expressions with the word pelo. So, bienvenidos a Spanish with Grace. So, the first word, it's too itchy. I can't teach with it, it's too itchy. Right. So, to start with, the first expression is no tener un pelo de tonto. The meaning of it is someone that can't be deceived or tricked easily. Someone who's not naive. So here's an example.
Mi amor, ¿le cambiaste el pañal al bebé?
Sí, claro.
No tengo ni un pelo de tonta. Sé que no lo hiciste. El pañal está aún aquí.
The second sentence. No se corta un pelo. No se corta un pelo. So we would say this when someone has no hesitation on saying something. For example, mi novia no se corta un pelo. Mi novia no se corta un pelo. Siempre dice lo feo que soy. No se corta un pelo. The third expression. No tener pelos en la lengua. What we mean in Spanish is that it's kind of the same as before, the last sentence. Someone that doesn't have a filter, like someone that, it won't hesitate. Someone that won't hesitate to say something. For example, los niños no tienen pelos en la lengua. You know children, they are so innocent and they will tell you, they will tell you what they think. So that's what we would say, that los niños no tienen pelos en la lengua. The next one, salvarse por los pelos. Salvarse por los pelos. It would be something like saved by the hairs. Hair, save me, please save me. Yeah, see, how can the hair save you? Actually, it can. If you want to know about this expression, I will share the story on my Instagram and Facebook, so follow me there. When we would say it when someone has avoided having an accent, but really luckily, like some sort of miracle. Okay, I'm gonna say an example so you can understand a little bit better. Iba conduciendo y de repente tuve que pegar un frenazo porque un perro se cruzó delante mía. Yes, that one, that dog there. Shh. So we would say el perro se salvó por los pelos. El perro se salvó por los pelos because I managed to stop the car before I hit the dog. The dog, el perro, se salvó por los pelos. Caerse el pelo. Ah! Well, I still got this one. So we would say this when or someone is going to get some sort of punishment for doing something, right? For example, tengo 10 llamadas perdidas de mi madre. Se me va a caer el pelo cuando llegue a casa. Yes, we would say that. Se me va a caer el pelo. No he hecho los deberes. Se me va a caer el pelo. Imagine that you're driving too fast, or I'm driving too fast, and the police is behind me, and they caught me, and they pull me over. If I get pulled over, that moment that I see the police officer coming out of the car and coming towards me, in that moment I would say, se me va a caer el pelo. Yes, se me va a caer el pelo. Oh, sorry police. Tomar el pelo. Tomar el pelo. It means to tease someone. ¿Sabes qué? Mi perro puede hablar.
Güey, pásame el jabón. No, porque lo llenes de pelos.
Me estás tomando el pelo. Me estás tomando el pelo. I don't believe you. That's a joke. You're trying to tease me. Me estás tomando el pelo. Tú me estás tomando el pelo. Yes. If someone is teasing you, you can say, para de tomarme el pelo.
¡Me vale madre! ¡Haz caso que no! ¡Pásame el pinche jabón! ¿El qué? ¡El jabón! No va a pasar porque otra vez lo dejaste lleno de pelos, loco, ¿entiendes? ¿Quién lo dejó lleno de pelos? Pues tú. Eres el único que tiene pelaje. Y tú no te vas a hacer el culo.
Tirarse de los pelos. Yes, tirarse de los pelos. We would refer to this when you or someone regrets of something that you should have done, but you haven't done. And now it's too late to do it. So you are frustrated. You're frustrated. You regret. You say, I should have done it. I should have done it. Now it's too late. Why didn't I do it? Why didn't I do it? Oh no, me estoy tirando de los pelos. Me estoy tirando de los pelos. Ah, me estoy tirando de los pelos. Si hubiera estudiado, hubiera aprobado el examen. Yes, here that's a hard example just because I'm using the conditional, but yes, I'll make a lesson about the conditional in the future. So, subscribe. The next one, con pelos y señales. Con pelos y señales. We would say this when we want to tell something with a lot of detail. You go deep into things. Whatever you want to tell, if you tell that thing with pelos y señales, it means that you're going to tell everything with all the details you know. Mi madre me explicó cómo cocinar con pelos y señales. Right, next. Venir a pelo. When something comes handy. Something that is exactly what you need for that moment. For example, este coche que me he comprado me viene a pelo. Now, the last one, poner los pelos de punta. I can't. So we would say this when something frightens you, okay? For example, las casas abandonadas me ponen los pelos de punta. So yes, anything that frightens you, cualquier cosa que te da miedo, te pone los pelos de punta. To get an electroshock as well, that also makes your hair stand on end. But in this context, in Spanish, we would say this when something frightens us. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Honestly, these sentences are so funny. Use them in Spanish. Honestly, you will impress a lot of people. That's it. Remember what I said before. Follow me on my social networks, which are in the description below, and subscribe if you haven't. Suscríbete, dale me gusta. Right, please. Thank you very much. Gracias. Hasta la próxima.
Pásame el jabón.